Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you the new LOKLiK Cutting Machine. And here it is the machine, and here is the user's menu, and it comes in different languages. See? And here is the power button, pause, and this button is for loading and unloading, and this is for start. And on this side is an empty space for just putting your tools. Then it has some tape right here that I'm going to remove. And when you take this one up, it's going to open right here. You need to remove this cardboard piece right here. And right here is the motor, and here is where you put the pen and also the blade. See? So now it has right here an empty box right here where you can save your tools as well. See? And along with the box of the machine, you will find a box like this that has the power cords. That's going to be on that side, so be careful with that. And it has right here, and this one is to connect to your computer. And right here is the power cord. And right here is the blade house. And there are some blades right here. And this one is for holding the pen marker. So I'm going to connect these ones to the machine. And this one you are going to connect on the right side, see, next to the buttons right here. I'm gonna show you this way. It is right here. Okay, so we're going to just connect this one. And we will connect this one that goes to your computer on the side. See? Now that it's connected, I'm going to turn the power on. First, I'm going to open it, and I will turn the power on. And you have to press a little hard in just 2 seconds, and it will start. Now that you have it in the center, you can attach the two housings. And here I have the house for a blade, and it comes with the deep blade and the regular blade. So I'm going to attach the regular, and it comes 2 of each. So it's good for you to have a spare one. And now you have to remove the red cap carefully. And you're going to hold it on the side. Now you have to push this part up here and just place it in there. Now you have to put this one inside, just let it drop, and this one you have to push to the back. See? Now this way you will open it, and this one is for holding the markers if you want to draw things with a machine. This one will go right here. You just have to move a little bit so it's all the way, and then push this one to the back. And I prefer to remove the house for the marker because I can see where the blade is moving, see? And for this video, I received this package, and this is heat transfer vinyl. The size is 10 by 12, and it says multicolor, and comes in this bag, like envelope. Very nice, right? And you get a tool right here, and this is from htvront. Look, this is the tool. It's a weeder. It has the instructions, and it comes with 1 Teflon sheet. Look, see, many different colors. that you can use for your projects. In this package, you get 35 heat transfer vinyls in different colors. You have metallic, you have primary colors, and other ones, including many black and white, and also one Teflon sheet. So all of these come in a package. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Then right here I have another set of HTV, and these are special because these are chameleon HTV, and right here they change color. As you can see right here, it has like purple and then turns to this turquoise or blue. See, look at this. Can you see this color? More of these. They are very, very nice. Look at this. See, it's kind of green and purple. Then this one that looks kind of pink and white. See? And they also sent me these cutting mats, and these are a 12 by 12, and it comes 3 in this package. And it comes with this spatula to spread the vinyl. And as you can see, it's a standard grip, and it comes 3 of them. See? And look, you just need to remove this one and stick the vinyl in there. And this one is from htvront. I will leave the links of all of these items in the description box. This one is the image that I'm going to cut. So I will take it to the canvas, and it's right here. And this mat is in millimeters. Don't worry, you just have to right click on your computer and change it to inches. See? Now this image I wanted 7 by 7, so I'm going to open like about this size, and I'm going to select a task, and it says that my device is set up by Bluetooth, so I have to choose right here, and I connected the LOKLiK Cutting Machine via USB, so I click in here, and now appears as a LOKLiK Crafter. And the cutting mat is standard 12 by 12, and the material, the brand is htvront, and the material is going to be chameleon HTV, and the size is a 12 by 12. And as you can see right here, it will set up automatically for the cutting, so you don't need to choose. And it says blade. Yes, it's not a pen, it's going to be a blade. And right here where it says canvas mirror, you just need to click where it says horizontal and make sure it's in blue. You select right here the layers. So I select them all. And now I'm going to just cut. And as you can see right here is showing the mirror image. So surfing is backwards, and I already have the vinyl in the mat, and I'm going to start. It's pretty quiet when it cuts. It only took 6 minutes and 1 second to finish cutting this image. And here I have the vinyl, and this one is chameleon vinyl. Look, See, it did cut very well. And I already took all the parts, so this one is ready for a t-shirt. I'm using the auto heat press, and I placed the t-shirt and the vinyl and a piece of Teflon sheet to cover that, and I heat press at 350 for 40 seconds. I waited until it's cool, and then I peeled the backing, and now this is how it looks. It's beautiful. I love how the color changes and it stretches very well. It's my favorite vinyl. I have the design that says, I'm a crafter, what's your superpower? So cute, right? And here are all the pieces highlighted because I'm going to do it in one color. And right here it says my device. The cutting mat is a 12 by 12. The brand is going to be htvront, but I'm going to do it in a normal vinyl. So I'm going to choose right here, pattern HTV. And then don't forget that you click up here where it says canvas mirror. So all these letters are going to be backwards, okay? So let's just cut. My vinyl is already loaded, and now I'm going to start right here. Now the design is done. It took only 5 minutes to do it, and this is how it cut. It's perfect, and now I'm going to put it on the tote, add a Teflon sheet, and start heat pressing with my auto heat press from htvront. I pressed at 350 for 35 seconds, and now I'm peeling the backing, and this is how it looks. Perfect. So cute. I think this machine makes a wonderful job, and you can create lots of stuff. There are more features with this machine, but I will show you in the future in other videos. The link of the machine is going to be in the description box, and also all the materials that I use from htvront. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.